ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they generally thought. ETH explicitly faces obstruction at $1,364.37, which generally truly is genuinely critical, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum in a real sense certainly is floating at $6,248,446,835, which generally explicitly is genuinely huge, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The amount really is as of now at $1,421.10 in an unpretentious manner in a genuinely huge way. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for entirely 1 week from now, and certainly generally attempt to answer these much of the time, especially sought clarification on some pressing issues. What for the most part in a real sense is by and large genuinely momentary cost expectation for Ethereum. For the most part sort of is ETH a genuinely wise interest in an extremely huge manner. Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on in an exceptionally, all things considered, significant way. Yet, prior to jumping especially profound into the ETH specialized examination, fundamentally by and large let us in every way that really matters, in a real sense discuss the ongoing economic situation. Kind of by and large further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum generally is drifting at $6,248,446,835 in a sort of certainly significant manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There generally, in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,120,109,556,157 in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely huge. The by and large genuinely complete exchanging volume basically really remains at $29,326,280,073 in an especially in every practical sense, enormous way. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally basically has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly really is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner, which explicitly by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2% amazingly incredibly. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense generally shows that ETH in a real sense sort of countenances obstruction at $1,364.37, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which truly is very critical. XRP the very in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP truly generally is up by 0.53 and right now exchanging at 43 cents in an unpretentious manner, which especially is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally generally is very huge. These occasions explicitly in every practical sense show that the market basically is going in a fundamentally essentially descending heading for extremely transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a general genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize sort of kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they thought in an unobtrusive way. Support sort of especially is a level at which purchasers most certainly become pretty genuinely much basically more genuinely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large is very critical, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition certainly truly is a level at which dealers in a real sense essentially become moved pretty dynamic and by and large generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical in a significant way. Following by and large in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum essentially sort of is at $1,793.04, up 1.27% in the sort of especially beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 4.81% over the course of the week in an especially significant manner, really in spite of prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC actually really is 6,248,446,835.00 US dollars, while genuinely beautiful complete market cap came to $220,260,048,776 USD in an especially significant manner. There basically are just about 122,841,588 essentially for the most part are available for use out of 122,841,588, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Examination for the 13th of May 2023 inside a genuinely day-to-day time period, especially in a real sense made sense of beneath in a sort of especially huge manner. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving kind of truly normal and remarkable moving pretty normal to in a real sense especially dissect the future development of the Ethereum, which generally in a real sense shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The MACD line for the most part really is remaining above of the by and large truly signal line after an essentially truly certain hybrid, exhibiting that the sort of fundamentally complete exchanging volume generally explicitly remains at $29,326,280,073. Ethereum financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the by and large fundamentally everyday outline, which for the most part basically shows that Ethereum financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph in a sort of significant manner, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking by and large. RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 42 and truly is attempting to for the most part break out of the impartiality zone. By and large fundamentally further appearance how the in every way that really matters. Complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $29,326,280,073, which basically generally is genuinely huge, which generally is very critical. While ETH's Williams %R marker sort of by and large is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign quite as entirely of conceivable at this reach, which generally fundamentally shows that Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize truly in every practical sense. Key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which truly is genuinely huge amazingly. Ends ETH cost by and large generally is moving in sideways course, or so they for the most part thought, which is genuinely huge. The fight between the bulls and the generally for the most part bears can bring about moving the coin cost in one or the other heading, exhibiting how ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline. Or so they in a real sense thought, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, the financial backers fundamentally are sitting tight for Ethereum to in a real sense take a one-directional action to especially sort of make a kind of good section on the lookout. Further appearance how Ethereum financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight